All right, here is my house to home desk fan, oscillating fan. I haven't used it in a while. And interesting story behind this. It was around 2015, around November of 2015 or 16. I think that's when I got it around that time. And walking to CVS, go over to the fan section, as I always do, and I just so happened to see it. And at that time, they didn't have no price for it. It was just sitting there. Got it, took it over there. Just so happened to be one of the employees there at work. Asked them about it. And I said, well, how much is this? I want to take it off your hands because I see this is the last one you guys have. Okay, well, let me take it over here and ring it up. Takes it over there, ring it up. $19.99 plus tax. He says, do you want to get it? I said, sure, I'll get it. I'll take it off your hands. Got it. Brought it home from work. Opened it up, and right off the bat, like most fans today, of course it needed some oil. So I gave it a couple of drops of oil, and then it got okay after that. It's been working ever since. So I'm glad to have this in my collection, and let's go ahead and run it. Very smooth oscillator for a modern day fan. So glad it still oscillates real smooth. Although I had to give the oscillator some oil as well because it was squealing after I kind of first got it. I had to do my mom's like that too. You know, she got the 16-inch stand fan or pedestal fan, whatever they call it these days. She got that one. And she got hers at a later time. But I also had to give her some oil, and it's been working ever since, the oscillator portion of it. It's one of my favorites in my collection. It's like the only one I got like this in the collection out of all the fans I have in my collection. Because you should know by now, I'm really big on high velocity fans. I like those more than I do any other portable fan out there. So for $20, I got a pretty good deal right here. This is way back in 2016. It was produced in 2015, but it was sold in 2016. I don't know what they are right now today. It seems like to me today, fans are getting worse and worse. It's because these cheap Chinese companies don't like to make them right. We already know that. Super quiet on low. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video this evening. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. More fan videos like this to come all this week. God bless you and gone.